This video is about the basics of synthesizers. Part 2 is about filters. What is a filter? Well, imagine cupping your hands and pulling them close to your ears. That's a basic way to understand what's called a low-pass filter. So all of the higher sounds get muted the closer your hands get to your ears. Resonance sharpens this filter. It's almost like an exaggeration of the amount that you would cup your hands, for example, as you pull your hands close to your ears. So let's do an example here. We have resonance down all the way, and here's frequency. As we turn it down, it mutes the higher frequencies or the higher sounds. As we bring it back up, they come back again. And let's bring up resonance a little bit here so we can hear the difference in tone. I'll bring it up more. You hear it's much sharper now. And all the way up. So all of these different settings, we can really mold the oscillators into interesting ways